If you recently applied to join the University of Derby through clearing and wondering what to do next, don't get confused. Follow these steps and we'll look forward to welcoming you. If you applied through early access to clearing before the 5th of July, you should have gotten the confirmation email within 24 hours of speaking to us. If you haven't, remember to check your spam folders. And if you're still without, please call us back on 01332 59 2025. This email lists steps involved in submitting your application through UCAS or UCAS Extra if you've used your original university choices earlier in the year. If you're already holding an unconditional firm offer you no longer want, you'll need to release yourself through UCAS Hub. To do this, look for a Decline My Place button on your homepage. When your new UCAS application comes through to us, we'll match up our provisional offer and make it official. We'll then need to wait for your results in order to confirm the offer. If you're already holding level 3 qualifications, such as A-levels or BTECs that were taken in a previous year, you'll need to share these with us before we can confirm your place. Once you've referred yourself, please send scans or photos of these certificates by email to myresults@derby.ac.uk so we can match them to your application. Meanwhile, you'll get a Derby ID number, which you'll be able to use to secure accommodation with us if you need it. And if you're changing a university or course, you'll need to contact Student Finance England and tell them this, so your funding points to the right place for enrolment. If you've applied any time after July 5th and we've offered you a place, we'll ask you to log into your UCAS Hub and refer yourself to us. To do this, look for the Add a Clearing Choice option. Search for the University of Derby, find your course and confirm. And you're done. Some updates occur overnight, so please allow 24 hours for your application to reach us. If you're doing this on results day, you'll need to wait till after 1 p.m. for the UCAS system to start allowing changes again. If you're already holding a firm place elsewhere, you'll need to self-release this before adding your clearing choice. Following results day, we'll be working through offers as quickly as possible, but it can take some time for your status to change to confirmed. Check your UCAS Hub to review the status of your offer. Within a week of your UCAS referral, you should get it officially approved by our admissions team. After you've accepted your place at Derby, we'll begin to email you all the details about enrolment, moving in and starting your degree. This includes a link to the date, time and location of your course induction. For more preparation info, visit the welcome section of our website. Don't forget to celebrate, have fun and get ready for a degree that takes you further. See you soon.